Hi, today I'm reviewing the iUNIK Propolis Vitamin Sleeping Mask. And really quick, I just want to say, purchase all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsors or videos, so if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsb.com, check my Patreon community, or click on the link below. Okay, I've been testing this off and on for quite some time. I want to see when so this one expires in 3 months, so it's nearly empty, but you can't really see that on camera how I can see it in the light, how little there's left. But anyway, okay. Wanted to review it before it was totally empty. So, iUNIK Propolis Vitamin Sleeping Mask is formulated with 16% propolis extract, 8% vitamin tree fruit extract, and 5% Centella asiatica leaf water to nourish, brighten, and calm your skin. This can be used as a sleeping mask overnight or as a moisturizer during the day. For me, personally, I use this as a sleeping mask. For the daytime moisturizer, I found it to be a little bit too thick unless it was deep into winter and it was very dry. Then I didn't have any issues with the thickness. So, okay, first criteria is packaging. No issues with the packaging. Really enjoy the packaging of it. Simple squeeze tube, easy to travel with. In terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, it does not contain any of those. However, when it comes to fragrance, it really doesn't have a noticeable scent to it, but it does contain myrrh, which is a fragrant gum thickening agent that also has masking and scent properties. So typically, you want to avoid that, especially if you have sensitive skin. So keep that in mind. A lot of people gave this good reviews and didn't have any issue with the fragrant extract they included, but some people certainly will have issues with it, so it's important to be aware of it. The manufacturing location for this one is Korea, so no issues with that. Ease of use. Let's see how much I can get left out of here. Okay. So, use this as a sleeping mask or as a moisturizer. Use it in your evening routine as your last step. So you can see how thick it is. I mean, it's a little bit thick in my opinion for a daytime moisturizer. But certainly apply it as a last step in your evening routine. And then in the morning, rinse it off. It soaks in as you sleep and really does a nice job kind of sealing in everything you've applied before that. Especially if you use humectants or hyaluronic acid. A good occlusive product over that will help prevent the reverse dryness that can cause. So really does a nice job, absorbs as you sleep, and really nicely hydrating. So very easy to use and no pilling issues, which is key with a sleeping mask, because I tried sleeping masks that have pilling and issues, and it really gets to be messy. And I don't like pilling anything, even when I go to bed. I mean, in the middle of the night, I don't really care if it's pilled, but it still is irritating. And then I just think things don't absorb as evenly if it's pilled and yada yada yada. So. Okay, antioxidants and beneficial ingredients. So I've got obviously 16% propolis extract. Propolis is great. It's antibacterial, antifungal, antioxidant, great for acne-prone skin due to its antibacterial benefits. Propolis is made with resin from beehives, so very hydrating. Then we've got that 8% sea buckthorn fruit extract, or what they call vitamin tree fruit extract. Sea buckthorn is rich in vitamin C and flavonoids. It's good antioxidant. It's also good for skin brightening, so it's an amazing ingredient to have in any product. We've got Centella leaf water, which Centella leaf water is going to be much less potent than like the extract. So the Centella leaf water has skin conditioning as well as anti-inflammatory benefits. We've got niacinamide, barrier repairing, anti-acne, skin brightening ingredient. We've got arginine, skin identical ingredient. We've got beta-glucan, which I wish would replace hyaluronic acid in every product, but I may never get my wish. I don't know. Beta-glucan, great antioxidant as well as humectant. We've got Centella asiatica extract, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory product, ingredient. We've got purslane, a good soothing ingredient as well as a good antioxidant. We've got lanolin, skin soothing ingredient. Adenosine, it's a great cell communicating ingredient. We've got licorice root extract, skin brightening and antioxidant. We've got aloe, another great calming, skin soothing and hydrating ingredient. We've got perilla fructans leaf extract and skin conditioning ingredient. And then finally we've got yucca root, which is skin conditioning ingredient. So nice list of hydrating ingredients, antioxidants, calming ingredients. Really, they did a good job with the formula of this one. So very nice there. In terms of animal testing, iUNIK is cruelty-free, although due to the inclusion of propolis, this cannot be vegan. So there we go with that, but it's still cruelty-free. You can see it's kind of starting to soak in. You know what? I should start using this on my hands. They're so dry. Okay, in terms of performance, great for winter skin, great for dry skin, great for acne-prone skin. Skin with a weakened skin barrier can mostly benefit from it as long as you're not sensitive to that myrrh fragrance ingredient. Really nice. I tend to use this once or twice a week. Nice, occlusive product for applying over more humectant products. And it's pretty friendly for acne-prone skin as well. Only 2 ingredients of note: ceteara alcohol and glycerol stearate, which is very important since they kind of market this to for acne-prone skin. So there we go. Then in terms of the price, so it's the full size 60 milliliters, 2 ounces, $14.50, unless you get on sale for like $11. That's a bargain. That's a good deal. A little bit of this will cover your entire face, and this tube will last you a while. I can't remember when I started using this now, but I've been using it for a long time, so. Okay, then in terms of the it factor, this is so close to being a must-have product, but that inclusion of that myrrh makes it iffy for a lot of people, especially those with sensitive skin. Based on the reviews, it seems to work well for most people that use it. Generally, very good reviews. Unfortunately, that myrrh fragrance makes it so that I can't recommend this for everybody, but a lot of people will probably enjoy this, and it's very affordable, nice, occlusive sleeping mask, especially for winter or dry skin. So there we go. So with a 10 being a perfect score, I gave this one an 8. Really nice product overall. I'm going to guess a lot of you guys have probably tried this, or if you haven't tried this, do you have a favorite product from iUNIK or a favorite moisturizer from them? Leave a comment with what it is and what you love about it. Love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.